सुप्रभात। तो आज मैं घरेलू उपाय के बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ। हैशटैग होम रेमेडीज विच एक्चुअली वर्क। लग रही है ना घर की बहू जैसी। Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkle with Madhushri. So I am back again with a very interactive video and the most requested one, that is home remedies. So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as you'll get to witness such good looks with proper accessorizing, clothing ideas, makeup hacks, makeup looks, etc. So in one channel you are getting the whole package. So what are you waiting for? Press the subscribe button and the bell icon beside to it so that any new video uploaded by me will get the notification very soon. So चलिए बिना कुछ समय व्यतीत किए बकवास चीजों के लिए लेट्स बिगिन विद आवर न्यू वीडियो टू रिड्यूस द pus from kind of pimples and all the acne which are present. So I will be rating this home remedy, I can say around 2 or 4 out of 10 maybe. Now you must be thinking, why is it so? As it actually works. Now what it does is, because of very high concentration of vitamin C in one lemon, it tends to like leave very big dark spots. Even though your pimples get eradicated very soon, but they leave behind very dark, rigid dark spots, because it burns out that area over your skin because of high concentration of vitamin C. So directly applying lemon over your face is very risky, very harmful. And I had tried this remedy maybe for 3 months when I was in hostel. Okay, so that after I came back home, I noticed that I got so big dark spots, like I cannot explain it. I was so disappointed, and since then I have stopped recommending also and using lemon directly over your face, even with oranges also. So what you can do instead is use the zest. As you all know that inside there is the pulp of the lemon, or else your regular orange also, because winters have come, so oranges to sab koi khayenge. So what you can do is collect the lemon zest or else your orange peel, dry it up in under sun, and then like mix it with milk after making the powder of the dried orange peel or the lemon zest, and apply it as a face pack over your face for twice or thrice in a week, which is very good. Like it has antioxidant properties and it nourishes your skin also. And vitamin C, as we all know, I guess now all the famous YouTubers are promoting vitamin C as a new key ingredient in all kind of creams, in all kind of serums, etc. So you can try this home remedy instead of directly applying lemon or oranges over your face. Okay, so this is one of the I can say उपाय. घरेलू बात हो रही है तो उपाय ही बोलूंगी मैं आज. Now the next point is application of tomatoes over your face in order to get very glowing skin. So let me tell you one thing, that be it any kind of home remedies now, the amount of food and the type of food which you intake is more important than applying this kind of home remedies over your face. So if you eat one raw tomato after getting up in the morning, so I know it will taste very sour, it will taste very something अजीब सा ही लगेगा, बट दिस वर्क्स वेरी वेल. लाइक माई ग्रैंड मदर यूज टू हैव दैट एंड शी स्टिल हैज ग्लोइंग स्किन. अब मैंने नहीं किया था ऑफकोर्स, तो आप लोगों को मैं इसलिए बोल रही हूँ कि कर लो. मैं नहीं कर सकती, मैं नहीं होता है मेरे से, आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट दिस एक्चुअली वर्क्स देन अप्लाइंग टोमेटोज ओवर योर फेस, बी इट मिक्सिंग इट विथ कैफीन, दैट इज कॉफी पाउडर और एनीथिंग. सो इफ यू हैव वन रॉ टोमेटो इन एम्प्टी स्टमक अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग once you get up, it is more useful, more beneficial for your skin than applying it, cutting it and then applying it over your face. Okay, so the next is application of potatoes over your face. Well, this remedy is very good, I can say. This is one of the remedies that I love, I swear upon, and I do that also. Is potatoes are very rich in starch, and starch is something which is like very sticky kind of a texture, and what it does is the open pores which are present over our skin, it fills it up. And starch, as you all know, that it is very good as a constituent which is present in vegetables and everything. So you can try this out. Just chop thin slices or else moderate thick slices of tomatoes, and then like just use that slice and just rub it over your face. That's it you need to do, and leave it for around 5 to 10 minutes and rinse it off with normal water. Now the biggest mistake which we all do is, after doing certain home remedies, we use the soap or our face washes to wash it off, which is absolutely wrong. So the major point which I had missed, मैं मिस ही करती रहती हूँ यार हर पॉइंट में है. So the major point is, after trying certain home remedies, what you need to do is rinse it off with normal cold water, nothing else, not even your face wash, not even your like toners, rose water, anything. Just rinse it off with normal cold water, that's it. And you should never apply warm water over your face. Now the next point is, does turmeric powder and chandan powder actually work over your face for acne prone skin? So let me tell you that I have been using chandan powder, that is sandalwood powder, and turmeric powder since I began having acne over my skin. As we all know that during teenage years, it is a very common syndrome kind of a thing that all the teenagers get pimples over their face. The basic reason behind, I had said in my previous video, you can check that out, that due to stress, due to, you know, like food habits, we tend to get like acne and everything. So I will say like application of chandan is somewhat works, but turmeric doesn't. Turmeric powder doesn't. Why? Because in today's turmeric powder there is lead oxide mixed in it. Adulteration तो भर भर के रहता है. So like application of lead oxide over your face is more worse than sandalwood powder. So that's why I won't be suggesting anyone to use turmeric powder now. One thing you can do is, if you can dry up original turmeric, हल्दी की गांठी मिलती है बाजार में, you can check that out. Turmeric, dry it up under sunlight, and then like grind it and then mix it with water or aloe vera gel or else rose water, and then apply as a lape kind of over your face. It might work or else no. For chandan powder, it is like for example, like whenever we get hurt over our head, we apply ice. So it is like kind of immediate action, and it is not that very permanent solution. So chandan does the same work over our pimples. It just cools away, but it doesn't have that very long lasting effect, because in today's sandalwood powder also there is so much of adulteration. इतना मिलावटी रहता है कि कहाँ से होगा यार, सैंडलवुड तो अब घर पे उगा भी नहीं सकते. So it didn't work that very well over my skin, I can say that very much. So the next home remedy is application of curd over your scalp for getting rid of dandruff. So I had tried this home remedy when I was in hostel, because I was in my first year and I was having very big amount of hair fall because of the water which is available over there. Hard water वहाँ पर आता है. So I was having very much of dandruff हो गया था, hair fall हो रहा था. So I was experiencing very much amount of hair fall. Like I was bitterly crying, because like I keep my hair long, I don't cut it that very much nowadays. So क्या हुआ था, I started to mix lemon in curd and then like apply as a mask kind of over my head, and a little bit over my hair also, because like I tend to get dandruff follicles kind of over my hair as well, because मेरे बाल अभी इतने ज़्यादा ना, मैं पीछे है हाँ, इतना भी डेंसिटी कम नहीं है मेरे बालों का. So then what happened is, the hair fall increased in my case. I was having more amount of hair fall. I don't know why it didn't work out for me. बहुत लोगों के लिए वो workout करता है. So this remedy didn't work out for me. I don't know why. Maybe because it didn't suit me. But you guys can try it out, because my mother had tried. Now she has normal hair. She doesn't have that dandruff kind of scalp and all. So you can try that out. And my brother had tried it once. So ठीक है. Then comes another is application of besan, application of honey, application उसका oatmeal, and then like mixing it up using as a face pack. So let me tell you guys, एक भी काम नहीं किया, किसी के ऊपर काम नहीं किया ना. मेरी मम्मी की स्किन के ऊपर, she has normal to oily skin and I have very oily skin. My brother has very oily skin. My father also has very oily skin. So मेरे पूरी फैमिली को oily skin है. एक्ने बस मेरे को ही आया था सबसे ज़्यादा, भैया को भी इतना नहीं आया था, मेरी मम्मी को तो कभी आया ही नहीं, मेरे पापा को भी कभी पिंपल्स आए नहीं है. It didn't work at all. I swear I mixed oatmeal with besan with whatever. Many of the aunties were giving me such ideas also. I don't remember. I was in my class, grade 9. Like it didn't work at all यार. मुझे सही में मन कर रहा था कि मैं बेसन का पकोड़ा बना के उसमें मिर्ची प्याज डाल के मैं खा लेती, इससे अच्छा होता, पर मुझे कुछ भी काम नहीं किया. Like I don't know those who even try besan with curd or besan with anything. It might work for them, but it didn't work for me, and that's why I never recommend anyone to use that. Instead, if you really want to have that soothing acne-free skin and everything, I can tell you one face pack. So first of all, I will be telling you here in verbal, and you can check out the description box below for the instant ice kind of face pack, which is very easy to make and it is very effective also. So what you need is one whole potato, medium size, 6 to 7 slices of papaya, and glycerin. That's it. So what you need to do is chop the potato. You need not peel off the skin also. The skin is very good for the skin of the potato is very good for your skin. So just chop it off very finely. Then chop the papaya also. Seedless karke. Okay, just remove the seeds. And then, like add glycerin. Okay, glycerin is available easily over the market. So you can get from there. Maybe I need to check it once and I will be giving you in the description box below. So don't get worried. And then like you have mixer grinders, I guess everyone has. नहीं तो अपने मतलब सिलबट्टे से ही कर लो, that सिलबट्टा, whatever, I will be saying somewhere here. Okay, so then like mix it up and then take your ice cube containers are available, right? In there pour that mixture and refrigerate it overnight. Now what you need to do is that mixture will get completely ready. It will get into an ice form. What you need to do is before going for your bath, just take 1 cube of that mixture and apply it over your skin, and you will feel like कि यार मैंने कोई face pack लगाया होगा शायद से. It might smell very weird, but Trust me guys, it works wonders. It is one of the home remedies which I always wanted to share, and I'm very sorry कि मैं थोड़ा लेट हो गया शेयर करने में. I'm very sorry. बहुत ज़्यादा दूसरा काम भी तो रहता है ना, तो इसलिए थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया मेरे को. And then rinse it off with cold water, and that day only once you need to face wash. That is at night before going to sleep. That's it. Your acne scars will get eradicated. Your acne will get may very much reduce, and you will get a very nice glow over your skin with proper oil balance or excessive dryness which happens over your face. Now what is the reason behind it? This pack works so much. Papaya is very rich in antioxidants, so it reduces your dark spots. Potato, as I had said, that it is very rich in starch, so starch is very good for filling up your pores and reducing the inflammations also, because starch na thoda moda matlab ठंडा भी करता है जो पिंपल्स आते हैं. एंड ग्लिसरीन इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इन विंटर्स because it helps in retaining the moisture also. So जिनको बहुत very dry skin family से, so they can add a little bit more amount of glycerin, as much as I will be saying in the description box below, and then you get to ready. And glycerin लगाने से बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि that for oily skin glycerin is not that good. It is completely a myth guys. You actually can like use glycerin, because ग्लिसरीन हमारे स्किन का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है कि इफ इट गेट्स एक्सेसिव ड्राई ऑल्सो यू माइट गेट ब्रेकआउट्स, एंड बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयली होने से तो ब्रेकआउट्स आते ही हैं. सो दैट्स ग्लिसरीन लगाने से जो लोग बोलते हैं ना कि ग्लिसरीन मत लगाओ तो यू विल गेट मतलब पिंपल्स आ जाएंगे, ये आ जाएंगे, वो आ जाएंगे, इट्स कंप्लीटली अ मिथ गाइस. ग्लिसरीन लगा सकते हो, आराम से लगा सकते हो. सो दिस पैक यू कैन एक्चुअली ट्राई, इट रियली 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 वर्क्स. वो बेसन, ओटमील, कर्ड, उन सबसे ज़्यादा ये वाला फेस पैक बहुत ज़्यादा काम करता है. एंड आई हैव बीन रिकमेंडिंग ऑल दैट, दे हैव ऑल पिंक्ड अप मी सेइंग दैट दिस एक्चुअली वर्क्स. नाउ ओनली कॉर्न ऑफ दिस फेस पैक इज एक घर पे बन सकता है, लाइक फॉर दोस्त जो स्टे इन हॉस्टल उतना काम नहीं करता. नेक्स्ट कम्स क्यूकम्बर. ओके, सो क्यूकम्बर इज समथिंग लाइक, अगर मतलब वो जो फिल्म में जैसे दिखाते हैं ना वैसा इतना इजीली नहीं होता है, बट फॉर आई एरियाज, फॉर रिड्यूसिंग डार्क सर्कल्स, इट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर दैट. सो ट्राई कर सकते हो आप वो वाला क्यूकम्बर लगाना एकदम से आई एरियाज के ऊपर फॉर अराउंड नॉट मोर देन 1 to 2 hours. सो दिस वर्क्स एक्चुअली. मैं करती नहीं हूँ क्योंकि मुझे ककड़ी खाना ज़्यादा पसंद है. एज आई हैड सेड दैट आई एम अ वेरी बिग फूडी. So the next comes for scrubbing. So many say that sugar plus honey, if mixed together, or sugar, honey and lemon mixed together, it is very good as a scrubber for your face. Well, that is very very true. I have recently like discovered this. So what you can do is take half scoop of your sugar and then mix it with 1/4 teaspoon of honey, so that you will get somewhat mixture like this, as you can see over here. It is a very good scrub. I will be showing you. I don't know whether it's that clear or not. And like I will be showing you a small swatch क्योंकि मुझे swatch दिखाना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. So you can see over here that it is like, now honey is also rich in antioxidants and it soothes up your skin. And sugar is it is a very good exfoliator for your skin. So you two, if these two are mixed up together now, so it is very good for your skin, especially for the blackheads and the darkheads, which are whiteheads and the darkheads which are present near your nose area. So बहुत अच्छा काम करता है. एंड इफ यू आर लाइक शॉर्टेज ऑफ स्क्रबर्स एंड यू डोंट हैव दैट मच ऑफ बजट टू बाय अ स्क्रबर ऑल्सो, you can try this home remedy and it very well works. Like I have been trying it for past 1 month and I'm getting marvelous results. So ये home remedy बहुत अच्छे तरीके से काम करता है. Now the next home remedy is for lips. Now many of us skip the fact that we need to scrub our lips also. And another point is, many of the people think that if you have very oily skin, then your lips will also be very much like softened kind of, बहुत ज़्यादा moisturized रहता है. But sad मतलब है कि irony ये है, the irony is, for those who have very oily kind of skin, it isn't necessary that they will have very much moisture rich lips. For example, in my case, I don't have moisture rich lips. मेरा बहुत extra dry eye lips है, so that's why I use like, मुझे 12 महीने लिप बाम यूज करते रहना पड़ता है. सो आई विल बी मेकिंग अ सेपरेट वीडियो फॉर विंटर स्पेशल ऑल्सो वेरी सून होपफुली, क्योंकि मेरा अभी 16 दिसंबर से फिर से सेमेस्टर स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो आई नीड टू स्टडी फॉर दैट ऑल्सो. सो लेट्स सी, आई विल बी पोस्टिंग दैट वीडियो वेरी सून गाइज, डोंट वरी. ओके, सो if you use this scrub over your body, over your face, over your lips, it's just मेरा फेवरेट स्क्रब है ये. माई मतलब है कि वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट होम रेमेडीज. लाइक आई हैव बीन यूजिंग इट नाउ विद माई मदर ऑल्सो. माई मदर इज ऑल्सो एक्सपीरियंसिंग वेरी गुड रिव्यूज रिगार्डिंग दिस थिंग. सो यू गाइज कैन ट्राई दिस होम रेमेडी आउट. नाउ द फाइनल होम रेमेडी विच आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू राइट नाउ इज अ चमत्कार फॉर दोज हु हैव वेरी ऑयली स्किन लाइक मी. So if you apply ice over your face before application of your primer also, your makeup tends to remain intact for a longer period of time. It's very true. It works also, because I will be revealing the secret also. Secret भी क्या है, बोल ही दे रहे, चलो ठीक है. So the secret behind is I have never used a setting spray over my makeup fixer spray over my hair, not hair, sorry, over my face. Now the point is, Why? Because like I will be using 1 cube of ice all over my face and then let it dry, and after that I will be moving ahead with the moisturizer, with the primer, with the makeup. Now generally for me makeup stays for maybe 2 hours 3 hours at the most, because I have very oily skin. Winters हो, गर्मी के सीजन में तो 1 घंटे बाद ही धुल जाता है, but that's why I apply ice, so it gets elongated by 2 hours minimum, and it works very good. So आपको अगर आइस लगाना है, आइस लगा के फिर मेकअप करोगे, then apply your primer, then makeup, it really works. So you can get it. And if you really want to reduce the pimples which comes over your face overnight, what you can do is take your ice cube and just rub over that area and sleep. Don't apply any moisturizer or anything. Your pimples will get reduced by 50% overnight. For today's video, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Give a big fat thumbs up to my video if you have liked it, and also press the subscribe button and the bell icon beside to it, because ऐसे ही घरेलू उपाय के साथ साथ हम अच्छे अच्छे products भी कभी सजेशन करते हैं, which I actually use, and I give my best to like be as much transparent as possible with my viewers, because उनमें से कोई एक व्यूअर मैं भी हूँ, क्योंकि मैं भी किसी को देख के, मैं भी रिसर्च करने के बाद ही मैं आप लोगों के लिए फिल्टर करके यू कैन से आई एम पोस्टिंग अ वीडियो. सो PR कुछ भी नहीं है, इट्स लाइक मेरा खुद का मतलब एक्सपीरियंस है, मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ. आई होप यू एंजॉयड वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, एंड आई विल बी बैक विद अनदर वीडियो विच इज़ लाइक घर पे ही बहुत अच्छा खासा रिजल्ट मिल सकता है. लॉट्स ऑफ लव, बाय बाय.